Amazing as it sounds like, Galaxy S24 Ultra first look is out and things are going in the right direction as we're going to see some massive updates in the S24 Ultra. This is the first look of Galaxy S24 Ultra. It looks like Galaxy S23 Ultra, but S24 Ultra will going to come with a flat display. And here's the proof. The sides are rounded and these sides will going to come with the titanium frame. So a goodbye to a curved display on S24 Ultra. There are some key takeaways from these new renders. First, the bezels on S24 Ultra will be symmetrical, meaning all four sides will be same. This never happened before on Samsung devices. But there is a downside of these new bezels. These are quite thick compared to the previous generation. And here's the difference. The outer display is the S23 Ultra and the inner display is Galaxy S24 Ultra render. The bezels on S24 Ultra are quite big. This is how it looks like against the iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max. It looks better than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but there is no match if we compare the bezels with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Although Samsung make displays for Apple, they should do something similar with their own Galaxy S24 lineup. One thing to notice, despite getting slightly bigger bezels, Samsung is going to use a new technology on S24 Ultra, M13, which Apple is going to use in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this new technology will increase the peak brightness of S24 Ultra. As per leaked information, it will be more than 2200 nits, and we can count on at least 2500 nits peak brightness on S24 Ultra, which is a lot more than 1750 nits on Galaxy S23 Ultra. We got some special news about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 made for Galaxy processor. It will be an overclocked version of a normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The clock speed will be 3.3 GHz instead of 3.19 on a normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And this new overclocked version will be 10% faster than the normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. But there's a bad news. Samsung also going to add the Exynos 2400 in the S24 Ultra, which they are going to launch in two regions, Asian and European region. Although, the numbers on Exynos 2400 are extreme level, where we are going to get 10-core CPU and 12 cores GPU. But the power efficiency is the only concern we have for the Exynos version of S24 Ultra. The clock speed will be less than Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 at 3.1 GHz, but the new Exynos 2400 will going to support up to 320 megapixel sensor and 8K video recording at 60 frames per second. Let's see how they will optimize this new processor. Samsung will going to launch S24 Ultra in Feb next year. If you want to see the big camera numbers on Galaxy S24 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.